B that is, I that is, G-Way. Motherfuckers still in my bed. But they know my niggas are the fucking kidnap kids. Fuck them in they ass, throw them over the bridge. That's how it is. My shit is laid out. Fuck that beat shit. That shit is played out. I got the call. All I niggas want phone call. All y'all disappear by tomorrow. All your cause is horror. I don't feel sorry. Actually, your man passed the gap to me. I check this, what's B? Because when you need two cats to go to sleep, people know your mom, they stay up in the street. Because when I see you, guaranteed to be in ICU. One more time, what's B? Because when you make your enemies start to cheat. Because when you roll no less than 30 feet. Because when I see you,
A ver si la cabe, carnal. A ver si la cabe. Sí, se me importa la quiero para ir cerrando.
That nigga from the brook just be wildin' on you, just be styling on you, won't lie. Dropping on you, but your eyes fucked up. Now I clear them shit to hit you on the fucking bench. All in my friends, sometimes I get kinda P's and D's, these MCs with these supreme all the life. Lyrics like all the like I think a G. That nigga sound like me. That was grimy in the early 90s. Far behind me, it ain't hard to find me. Number one with the booyaka. And we the remedy and the chronic. Ain't no telling what I do to y'all. It's obvious the game do to y'all. Take the A's you make, send them on the tutor, huh? One shot, I'm through with y'all. See, even when you need two gas to go to sleep. Even when your mom ain't safe up in the street. Because when I see you.